At its core, mindful photography is about slowing down and seeing with intention. Unlike goal-oriented photography focused on perfect images, this practice emphasizes the process of looking, noticing details you'd normally overlook, and responding to visual moments without judgment. Leave your phone on silent, breathe deeply, and allow yourself to be drawn to colors, textures, light patterns, and compositions that resonate emotionally rather than technically. Start with a simple daily ritual. Spend 10 minutes each morning photographing your immediate environment without rushing or editing yourself. Your backyard, a single houseplant, morning coffee, or changing light through your window all become subjects for contemplation. The repetition teaches you to see familiar spaces with fresh eyes, training your mind to find beauty and interest in the ordinary while anchoring you firmly in the present moment. The act of framing a photograph naturally focuses scattered attention and quiets mental chatter. As you adjust your position, consider angles, and wait for the right moment, you enter a flow state similar to meditation, fully absorbed in a single task without past or future thoughts intruding. This concentrated awareness provides a break from anxiety and rumination, offering your nervous system a chance to reset and restore balance. Deepen your mindful photography practice by periodically reviewing your images not for quality but for insight. What drew you to these subjects? What patterns emerge in your choices? What emotions do certain photographs evoke? This reflective practice helps you understand your internal landscape and values, while building a visual journal of your everyday experience. The camera becomes not just a tool for capturing images, but a companion for cultivating awareness, gratitude, and a sense of wonder in daily life. Another way to cultivate mindfulness through photography is by focusing on unusual subjects like shadows, reflections, and silhouettes. These elements can provoke thought and offer new layers of meaning to everyday scenes. Engaging with these abstract forms sharpens your ability to see beyond the obvious, enhancing both your visual and emotional acuity. Scientific studies suggest that activities promoting present-moment awareness, like mindful photography, can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Personal testimonials also highlight how this practice improves concentration and fosters a peaceful mental state. By engaging deeply with your surroundings, you nurture a thoughtful appreciation for life, which can have lasting positive effects on mental health. Consider the story of Maria, who found solace in mindful photography during challenging times. By dedicating a few moments each day to capture the soothing aspects of nature with her camera, she slowly rebuilt her sense of balance and joy. Her journey is a testament to the healing power of photography, an art form accessible to anyone willing to observe the world mindfully. Explore themed photography days to add creativity and structure to your practice. Assigning specific themes, such as colors or emotions, for each session stimulates inspiration and provides a fresh perspective on familiar environments. Such exercises not only enhance your photographic skills but also deepen your connection to the theme, teaching you more about yourself in the process. Building a community around mindful photography can further enrich your experience. By joining local groups or online communities, you open yourself to shared insights, feedback, and encouragement. These connections foster a supportive environment where you can exchange techniques, celebrate personal growth, and find motivation to continue exploring this calming art form.